Is Metabolae a scam, or is it actually legit? After digging through customer feedback and independent reviews, here's what I found. First, there doesn't appear to be solid evidence that Metabolae is an outright fake company. Many customers report receiving the product they ordered, which suggests it's a real supplement business, rather than a site that simply takes your money and disappears. However, there are some red flags you should know about before buying. Several reviewers have complained about confusing refund policies, subscription renewals, shipping delays, and customer service issues. Others also questioned some of the company's bold health claims, saying the marketing promises seem stronger than the scientific evidence available. Some website reputation services have also given the site relatively low trust scores because it's a very new domain with limited operating history. While that doesn't automatically make it a scam, it does mean buyers should be cautious and do their own research. So, is Metabolae legit or a scam? Right now, it looks more like a legitimate business with several concerns rather than a proven scam. If you're considering buying, read the refund policy carefully, avoid relying on marketing claims alone, and consult your healthcare provider before trying any supplement.